everybody. Unearthing time. Unearthing. Unboxing time. Here we go. Raw video, uncut. Some of you might know the shape of this thing. I've been waiting for a little while for this. So, where are we? Where is it? Oh. Right here. Right here. Yeah. Ooh, bubble wrap.
I love bubble wrap.
Me too. Ta-da!
Bubble wrap, bubble wrap. I want the bubble wrap.
You got the bubble wrap? Hang on, in a minute. Woo! There it is. Oh, it's tiny. It is tiny. And that's the little baffle. And there's the little mounting bit. Mounting bracket. There it is. Lovely. That looks pretty good. Okay, so straight from AliExpress, this one. And as if we should find that this logo is not the proper SC logo. Yeah, and I think it's like the S and C looks slightly different. Anyway, that's it. Alright, let's see how we go. See if it fits. That's the main thing. Alright, there it is. For the next videos, I'm going to install this somehow, but it's going to be a bit interesting on the SV650, but that's what it came to. It comes pretty good. That's going to be loud. It's going to be really loud.